Regenerative braking in internal combustion engine (ICE) cars is a system that captures kinetic energy during deceleration and uses it to charge the vehicle's battery, improving fuel economy and reducing brake wear. This technology, common in hybrid and electric vehicles, is also being incorporated into some ICE cars to enhance efficiency. Here's a more detailed explanation. How it works. Energy recovery. When a car with regenerative braking decelerates, the wheel's kinetic energy is converted into electrical energy, which is then sent to the battery to be stored. Improved fuel efficiency. By storing this recovered energy, the vehicle can use it to power the electric motor and other electrical systems, reducing the load on the ICE and saving fuel. Reduced brake wear. Regenerative braking helps to slow the vehicle down, reducing the reliance on traditional friction brakes, which leads to less brake pad wear. Hybrid and ICE applications. Regenerative braking is used in hybrid vehicles to assist the ICE and reduce fuel consumption, and in some ICE cars, it's used to charge the battery that powers auxiliary systems. Benefits. Improved fuel economy. By recapturing energy that would otherwise be wasted, regenerative braking can lead to significant fuel savings, especially in urban driving conditions where frequent deceleration is common. Reduced brake wear. By using the electric motor to decelerate, regenerative braking reduces the stress on traditional friction brakes, prolonging their lifespan and saving money on repairs. Environmentally friendly. By improving fuel efficiency, regenerative braking helps to reduce carbon emissions and contributes to a more sustainable transportation system. In summary, regenerative braking in ICE cars is a valuable technology that helps to improve fuel economy, reduce brake wear, and contribute to a more sustainable future for transportation.